Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very creepy looking Tin Man from Little Nightmares 2. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this very creepy looking character, and here's my sketch underneath. So to begin, we're going to draw in the face first, but we're going to draw in the bottom portion of the hat because it's going to be covering the face. So just drawing one little curve like this first. And then from here, this is going to be the shape of his face. So just taper down, and then on the bottom here, just round it out. So it's a little bit sharp on the bottom. Okay, so once we have this, we can draw in the eyes. So just come to the side right here. Just kind of drawing like a couple of thick lines right here. It's very creepy looking eyes. I'm going to add a little bit more detail, just right on the corner right here. It's got some wrinkles. Okay, so those are his eyes, and then for his nose, just come to the middle of this. Drawing like a little V shape, and you can round off the ends right here, and let's add in a little bit more creasing to have it come down. Okay, and then for the lip, it's very simple. Again, find the middle of this space, just gonna draw a little curve, and then on the lower lip just draw a smaller line. And if you want to add in a little bit more detail, on the corner of the lip, if you add in a little line like this, it makes it look a little bit more realistic. Okay, so let's see. Let's finish up the face. Here's the ear. So just come to the side of the eye. Just draw one little curve. Okay, so that's the face. And now let's go ahead and finish up the hat. So for the hat, I'm going to continue with this curve. Just gonna go out wider. Come to the middle of this, just go up. I'm just gonna draw one line across. Just connect that. Okay, so now we're gonna keep going up. So just draw one little bar right here. It's got some detail on the hat. And let's keep going up. Just taper inwards. And then now whatever space you have here, just one little dip and connect that. And if you want to add in some details, again, we can add in some lines here for the folds. Okay, so that's just creepy head, and now let's move on to the body. And the body is very simple. It's just he's just wearing a suit. So we're gonna start with the neck. Just come down first. Just go ahead and round that out. And then now we're gonna extend out for the shoulders. Have it come in. This is gonna be the armpit. And now we're gonna go all the way down to the bottom of the suit. So we're gonna kind of pinch it in and it's gonna have it flare out slightly. Okay, and then let's go ahead and come in. Just leave a little bit of space right here. Just draw a really sharp angle right here, and we'll draw in the details later. Okay, so let's come back up here on the top. I'm gonna draw the suit. Just one sharp angle, and we'll go ahead and connect these. And then for the detail in the suit, I'm just gonna draw another line like this. Just kind of have it come in, just kind of pinch it in. All right, and then let's see if we can add in a couple of buttons right here, maybe 3 of them. And let's see, the shirt inside, so just come to the middle of this, just angle out. So that's gonna be the collar. And lastly, one more detail, just one more line in the center for the shirt. Okay, so now for the arms, and let's see, it's got those really long arms. So again, here's the armpit. Start out here. Just gonna come down. Just one little bar. So this is gonna be the elbow. And now I'm gonna go all the way down to here. Just close that off. And then now for his hand. Okay, that's where it's gonna come out. And then here, just one little hook for the thumb. And then let's add one little line like this for the inside of the palm. And then now for the back of the palm, come out. And then right here, it's gonna be the fingers. So I'm just gonna bend just a little bit and just come back in and connect to that. Okay, and then for the other fingers, one little curve, and we can actually add one more. Let's add one more. Have it come down this way. All right, so for this one, let's give him a slightly different hand position. So again, here's the armpit. Come out. I'm just gonna stop there. So his hand's gonna be kind of reaching toward us. So I'm just gonna just come out right here. Just draw one big curve like this first. I know it's very strange. Okay, and then this is gonna be the thumb. Just hook it back up first. And then the other finger is gonna be here. So I'm just gonna curve this. Just go back in. One more in the back right here. Okay, so that's 2 fingers, and I'm just gonna add one more. Just one little curve here like this for the little pinky. And then to finish up the palm, we're just gonna add one curve, connect to this. All right, and then let's see, to finish up the arm, so this one's easy. Just go ahead and connect to the hand. And we can add in one little line here for the suit. Okay, and let's see, if you want to add in a little bit more perspective here, just continue with this line right here. Just kind of round it out so it looks like there's a little fold here because the arm's bending toward us. All right, so that's the upper body, and then now I'm gonna have him be sitting on his chair, so his knee's gonna be bent right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna, right on the side right here, just gonna draw a curve like this first. This is gonna be his knee. Okay, and then now we're gonna extend down, and as I'm coming down, I'm just gonna add a little bit of a wrinkle there. Okay, so just come all the way down. And then for this part, leave a little bit of space. Go all the way down again. So let's draw on this side, same thing. Leave a little bit of space right here. Okay, so let's draw in the shoes right here. So just come down, just draw one little curve all the way around, and then close this off. And then now whatever space you have here, just kind of connect that. Okay, so just come down here. It's one little bump. So it's coming out more on this side. And then again, just connect these. All right, so that's pretty much it for the leg. And then now let's draw in the chair and we can add in some more details to this later. All right, so right here, this is gonna be the top of the chair. That's why we left a little space right here. So just connect that, extend it behind the legs. And then however far you've made this, just come down, just draw a bar again, behind the legs again. Oops. Okay, so just one big bar. And then now for the legs of the chair, come to the corner right here. Just kind of slant it out all the way down here. Okay, so one more line for the legs of the chair and just close that off. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the chair. And let's see, to add in some wrinkles to this, make it look a little bit better. Just add in some lines right here. So it looks like his pants kind of folding in. Even here on the knee, even on the inside right here. And that is it for this very creepy looking Thin Man from Little Nightmare 2. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.